My name is Chika Uwazie, and I am the CEO of TalentBase. And TalentBase is an HR payroll solution for Nigerian SMEs to automate all their HR and payroll processes.
And how did the idea for TalentBase come about?
So it came about a couple of years ago with my partner Ozzy, who was working at a small investment banking firm called ECP. And he noticed that to manage the staff, they were still using paper to do staff records. They were still using Excel to calculate their payroll calculations. And I noticed the same issue with a multinational firm, and interns had to physically go to a location and get cash every month. And so we interviewed over 200 HR managers and realized the problem was, how do we manage internal HR processes with a simple, affordable solution? And that's why we created TalentBase.
Your timing was good though, wasn't it?
Yes.
Explain why.
Yes. So if we had done TalentBase 5 years ago, I think so many people would say, oh, we're not trying to, there's people that were still trying to cover up, ghost workers and, didn't care about tax remittance. But now with the economy, people want to become more efficient. For example, if they want to get a loan, they have to be able to show that they're paying staff on time, that they're paying their tax remittance. So now more than ever, TalentBase is really essential to growing SME businesses, essentially with government as well. They're really looking at ways to plug any loopholes or money that's coming out from ghost workers. And now our solution is able to really correctly identify all employees and to pretty much increase revenue in a lot of the government agencies.
And how do you pay somebody who doesn't have a bank account, as many people don't?
Yes. So we partnered with an organization called eTransact, and basically we get access to their mobile wallet. So whether you have a bank account or you don't have an account, you can simply create a mobile wallet on your phone, and the employer can decide to pay bank account or pay in their mobile wallet. And with the mobile wallet, they get access to a card, so they can go to the ATM, withdraw cash, or they can use their card for everyday transactions.
And how do you sell the software?
Yes. So right now how we sell the software is it's pretty organic. Many people Google us and see HR software in Nigeria, and actually TalentBase always pops up as #1. And so people inquire from there. Also, a lot of our customers do referrals, but also we have bank partnerships because they're the closest to the SMEs. And so they really push our software to their SME clients.
How big do you think the market is?
It's a $24 billion market, and a lot of people say, wow, that sounds pretty big. But across Africa, there's about 40 million SMEs, and on average, there's about 30 employees. And so with our business model, we see huge market opportunity.
How did you finance the company?
So we got investment from two investors. Number one, Venture Garden Group, which is a fintech VC within Lagos, Nigeria, and then with 500 Startups, which is a Silicon Valley investor.
And you're in a round of raising at the moment. How much are you trying to raise now?
Yes, we're trying to raise now $2 million, and we are working with African private equity individuals as well as banks that are interested in partnering with us.
And what's the money going to be used for?
So primarily it's going to use to build another version of TalentBase. We're really keen on building top-notch technology. We're working with Microsoft to do that, as well as a mobile app so that more people who are informal are able to use our system. And then as well as to grow our team. Since the bank partnerships, we now actually have access to 2 million SMEs in Nigeria. So that's a lot of people on our hand that we have to manage. And so we want to grow our team so that we can support these new SMEs that will be using our software.